Imagine stepping into your garden, sunlight warming the soft earth beneath your feet, and seeing tiny chrysanthemum cuttings you planted just weeks ago, now beginning to sprout vibrant green leaves. It's a magical moment, and one that anyone, even beginners, can achieve with the right care. Growing chrysanthemums from cuttings isn't just for expert gardeners. It's a rewarding journey that transforms your outdoor space into a lively tapestry of color and fragrance. The first secret is choosing the right cuttings. Healthy, disease-free stems taken from a mature chrysanthemum plant are essential. Look for stems that are firm, vibrant, and free of discoloration. Once you've selected your cuttings, trim just below a node, ensuring each cutting has at least 2 or 3 leaves. Removing excess lower leaves reduces stress and encourages strong root development. This is the foundation of a thriving chrysanthemum plant. Next, soil and containers play a vital role. A lightweight, well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter ensures your cuttings won't become waterlogged. Plant each cutting gently, burying the stem just enough to support it. Water lightly but consistently, keeping the soil moist but never soggy. Too much water invites rot, too little can dry out tender cuttings. A simple misting routine twice daily often keeps new roots happy and healthy. Lighting is equally critical. Chrysanthemums flourish in bright, indirect sunlight. Too harsh direct sunlight can scorch delicate leaves, while too little light slows growth and prevents budding. Position your cuttings where morning sunlight filters through, or use a bright indoor window if growing inside. Maintain a comfortable temperature range between 65° F and 75° F, as extremes can stress young plants. Even slight adjustments can dramatically influence root development and leaf vibrancy. As your chrysanthemum cuttings grow, fertilization helps them build strong stems and lush foliage. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks, starting after roots begin to form. Pruning encourages fuller, bushier growth, preventing spindly stems. Simply pinch off the top growth regularly, but avoid removing more than 1/3 of the plant at a time to reduce stress. Common problems like yellowing leaves, pests, or fungal diseases can be easily addressed. Yellow leaves often indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Aphids or spider mites can be gently washed off with water or treated with natural insecticidal soap. Fungal issues may appear as white powder or black spots. Proper spacing for airflow and avoiding water on leaves usually prevents these problems. Observing your plants daily and responding quickly ensures vibrant, healthy chrysanthemums throughout the season. Propagating chrysanthemums from cuttings is not just a gardening technique, it's a meditation, a connection to nature, and a way to transform your home into a fragrant sanctuary. The reward is unmatched. Colorful blossoms filling your garden beds, balconies, or indoor spaces with life and energy. Even beginners can master this art with patience, consistent care, and a little love. Every gardener's journey begins with a single cutting, and from there, your chrysanthemums can flourish into a beautiful display that brings joy and color into every season. So, grab your tools, prepare your cuttings, and watch the magic unfold. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.